Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you at in this world. Hey nomads, welcome back. It's the Nomadic Tank channel if you just happen to be here for the first time. Hey, it's cold outside, so I want to show y'all how I pack for a nice long trip. I'm going on a 10-day trip to California and sometime in May. That's the plan right now. So let me show you how I pack. Here's everything I'm gonna pack. As you can see, this right here is my favorite bag. It's empty right now. This is my long distance bag. This bag right here is the bag that I use to do all my long trips. When I say long trips, anything longer than 3 days. This bag right here is my 3-day bag. Throw it on the back seat, both these bags on the back seat, I'm good to go. So I'm gonna show you how I rock with both of these. I'm not gonna show you this one, I'm gonna show you this one. I'm gonna show you how I rock with this bag. All right, the way that I get everything into the bags is, that's my drum roll. I use packing cubes. Yep, that's right, packing cubes. I ordered some compression packing cubes. I ain't trying them out yet, but I'm gonna show you what I've done with my regular stuff. All right, Amazon Basics. Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you. Nice and cheap. They get the job done. So here we go. I got 2 pairs of boots. I recently got my Indy Ridge boots. I've always rocked my Stormhawk boots. So now I'm gonna pack these Indy Ridge boots, right? But my boots, I always put the second pair all the way at the bottom of the bag. You know, like you find them in the shoe box, that's how I put them inside the bag. Boom, boom, boom. See that? That's how they fit. Now, inside this bag, I also add at the bottom some basics or some extras, the just in case stuff, right? I got some extra Dove's Man Care. Yeah, that's the body soap that I like to use. It's travel size. I put them in the corner. I got some Lysol spray. I carry a big can, but I found these, so I started carrying these. Spray down in the hotel beds. You know how it is. My wife ain't gonna let me just go anywhere. Mouthwash. Boom, that's in there. In there like swimwear. So that's how I put those in there. All right. So now I got my boots down there. Oh, can't forget the doggone Lysol disinfectant wipes. That's right. I ain't bougie, but I guess I've been well trained by my wife, because you know she makes sure she carry all this stuff when we go somewhere. Now it's just a habit. All right, so I'm gonna put this bag back over here. And let's get to packing. I'm gonna move these boots out the way, put it over here. Those boots will be on my feet, right? All right. So now, take my medium-sized packing cube bag. And this right here is my just in case it gets cold bag. You know, these are ski pants, fleece lined. Laugh at me if you want to, but I don't feel nothing. They come in handy. Yes, they do. So we put that in there. Then I got my merino wool. These are the medium. I like to be warm. I don't like to be hot, if that makes sense. So, and I don't want to be cold, right? So I take these. Oh, I forgot to fold the pants. You gotta fold the pants. Then you put the merino wool on the side. And then, where you at? Merino wool socks. There we go. This is my cold layer bag, cold weather bag. So if ever I go in here, that's because it's gonna be cold for the day. Not for a few hours. It's gonna be cold for the day. And when I say cold, kind of like temperatures we got outside. Anywhere under 30, yeah. Anywhere from 30 and below, yeah. I'm pulling these suckers out, putting them on for the day. If it's like 30 and it's supposed to heat up to like 70 or something, man, I may put on the base layers and put on the riding pants under my jacket. But that's another totally different story. So now, check it, that's one bag, right? Now, for 10 days, I got 2 pants and 5 shirts. Cause you know, you can do laundry on the road, right? And that's a lot to some people. But I don't like to be funky, but I don't like to overpack neither. But I still feel like I overpack sometimes. But anyway, here we go. Another medium-sized bag. I think that's a medium-sized bag. Yeah. Or is it this one? We'll see here in a minute. All right. So these riding pants I like. These pants I use to ride in. They're wearing proof to an extent, but like they gotta be soaking rain. That's when you're gonna get soaked. And it's breathable. So when on hot days, I still be feeling kind of cool, right? So fold 1, boom, boom. Fold 2. Get the 2 in here. Like this and like that, like Tabitha Brown be saying. Got those in here. And then my pajama pants. Oh yeah, I'm bougie. I got pajama pants. Boom, there we go. Zipped up. That's bag 2, right? Now, bag 3. Take my shorts. Go ahead and put them in here. Boom, look at that. We locked in now. Boom, that's bag 3, right? Now got to get the underclothes in. So, yeah, a lot of people don't like riding with the cotton. I ride with the cotton, I ain't gonna lie to you. But I also got them butt naked from what you call them? Track. I forgot their name of the company. But the Go Butt Nakeds, they come in handy on them hot days. Duluth, there you go, Duluth. I had to look them up, look it up real quick. So from Duluth, them butt naked, them joints come in handy when it's hot outside. So undershirts, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 undershirts in here. And then tuck my socks right in here. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Boom. Zipped up. So now we got 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? And my toiletry bag. Can't forget the toiletry bag. In here, I have, come on. Loofah my soaps, 2 body wash, 1 shampoo. Yeah, I still shampoo my head, my scalp. Boom, Lysol spray. That's so I don't have to dig in the bag. Then I don't even know what was in there. Travel toothbrush. Emergency toothpaste. Another comb. Don't laugh at me. I know I ain't got a big beard, but so what? Deodorant, razors, eye drops, more Clorox wipes, some more toothpaste, and Q-tips, right? I don't know why I pull all this out to show y'all, but hey, it is what it is. So now we do all that, put it back in here. Boom, boom. And when I come off a trip, I unpack all this stuff and I put it right back under my sink, replenish what needs to be replenished, and I'm good to go for the next time. So this ain't my main stuff. I got another set that just stays here at home, so I don't lose nothing I'm gonna need. Also, what's going in the bag? Laundry pods, a doggone laundry bag. All y'all military people, y'all know what this is. Oh, see, about to lose my comb. You about to lose your comb. Put that in there. We good to go. This bag has some wires and extra key fob, right? That's going in there. Yo, I just bought these, right? Travel size boot warmers, boot dryers. So, y'all seen that video when I went to South Carolina and I took my weekend bag, right? No, I took the main bag, but I did not pack my extra boots. And whew, we got soaked. And I put my boots under the heat vent so they could dry out in the morning. They were dry, but they were still wet. You know what I'm talking about? Not like that soaking wet, but they were still wet to where when I put my foot in, I was like, but they were bearable for me to ride in. So, all right, I got these. I haven't been able to try them out, but yo, they going in my travel bag now. They are going to be part of the list of necessities. All right. Boom. So here we are. We in the bag. So let's put all this stuff on the top. I'll put this heater in there. Only thing I'm missing now is a roll of quarters. So I'll go give me a $10 bag roll of quarters. Now, remember, only thing I got in here so far is my boots, the doggone Lysol wipes, and my extra Lysol sprays and body soap, right? So let me show you what I do. I take my cold weather bag. Oh, that was this one. I put it back here. Then I take my pants. I put them over here. Take my shorts. Put them in here. And then my last bag. Boop, boop, boop. It's right there. Take my, boom. There you go. There's my life for the next 10 days, all packed up. Yup, next 10 days, all packed up. So now that I packed my bag, right? Oh, you know what I'm missing? I'm missing my little bag that has all my wires, but that's all right. I could add that later. So I put a lock on my bag because, you know, undesirables. be everywhere. Like when you go to the gas station and you go get inside or whatever, they're gonna swipe it, they're gonna try to swipe it. But anyway, I like to put everything at all zeros. Boom. Bag is ready to go. Also inside my bag, because y'all know I carry that blue cup, right? So this is where I put my water. I'll get a water bottle from the store. I'll put it in here and I'll sip on it when my cup empties out, right? Got a sponge so I can wash out my cup. I got a little soap so I can wash out my cup. When I tell you my life is in this bag, my life is in this bag. I know somebody's gonna say, hey yo Tank, what about when it rains? What happens? Why is that a question? Cause you know, Club Blam, Ship Blam, Himaglam. I just made that up. We got the wet weather bag, covers up the bag nicely, and we good to go. My clothes haven't got wet, except when I went to South Carolina, because yo, there's a hole in my thing right here. But I ordered the replacement. It should be here in a few days, but I'm good to go. All right, I'm gonna show you how I strap it on the bike next. All right, I did forget. I gotta add my slides in here, and this is my wire bag. So yo, I don't know if y'all do this, but all the cables that I need to charge my Sena, my phone, my battery, my camera batteries, I have them in here. And then I got a 4-prong plug. I use that, boom. All I need is one outlet and I can charge everything up overnight. So I don't know if y'all do that, but yo, I'm just throwing that out there for you if you need it. So we put that in there and we put our slides in there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, here I am. I carry the bag like this to make sure, you know, I don't pop this little one, but it don't pop. It's all comfortable. Boom. Okay, so this is the first time I'm packing the bike with that stick over here, right? Real world. We're looking at this real world, so I can see if I could do this when I'm riding. And boom, it looked like it works. It looked like it works. There it is. Backrest. All right, now let's strap this in. Boo, boo, boo. So, take this strap on my armrest. You know, there's the 2 brackets. I do it on the rear one. I lock it in. I don't think it's going anywhere, but this is like, it ain't gonna be a quick getaway neither. You wanna steal my bag, you wanna do some work. You can't just grab it and run. It's cinched down to the bike. And I seen a couple, don't worry about it. I seen a couple of times when the bag wasn't strapped down on the bike on Fire in the Isis channel where she lost her bag. So I make sure I don't want to do that, right? So boom, come over here. Boom, boom, boom. Ah, okay. I see where it's gonna be my pain point now. If I do this, I can't get behind the bracket. Oh, I got it. Yep, I got it. By George, I think he's got it. Yes, I do. Y'all see me struggling now. But after I do it a couple of times, I'll get the trick to it. Yo, Tank, why you ain't edit that part out? Cause, why? We need to see the truth, right? There we go. It's all locked in. Everything locked in. I can pull that up like that. Boom. So now, look at me, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you. Yeah, boy. Welcome to the Nomadic Tank Tribe. I appreciate you for watching. You are enough. And let me turn around real quick. Go ahead, read that. This is gonna be my outro right here. This is gonna be my outro right here.
Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself.
I appreciate you. Hey, like I always say, be good or be good at it. Peace.